Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. If you are looking to turn your Instagram into a source of income, this is the video for you. So let's get started. First of all, you have to build a strong profile. Before you start monetizing, make sure your Instagram profile is professional and engaging. So post high quality content that attracts your target audience. The more followers and the more engagement you have, the better your chance of making money. Number two is switch to business account. To unlock monetization feature, you will need to switch to business or creator account. So to do that, just click on this menu icon or three dot. Now scroll down and find the account type. Now tap on account type. Now tap on switch to professional account. Next, choose any niche or category. In this case, I'm selecting this video creator and switch to professional account. Next, and continue. And follow these prompts and fill this up. Third step is explore the Instagram's monetization features. If you have a physical product, you can set up Instagram shopping to sell directly on the platform. Another best option is affiliate marketing. You can promote products from brands and earn a commission on sales. Instagram has a native affiliate program that allows you to share affiliate link in your posts or stories. If you go live on Instagram, followers can buy badges. You can enable this feature in your creator account settings. The best way to make money is sponsored post. This is the great way to make money on Instagram. By working with brands for sponsored post, you can make a lot of money. Once you build a following, brand will pay you to promote their products and services. Last but not in the least is promote your content. You can also use Instagram ads to boost your post and reach a wider audience. This is especially helpful for promoting product, services, or affiliate links. And that's it. Now you know how to monetize your Instagram account. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion into profit on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.